for watching Afternoon Live. When it comes to your makeup, how do you know when it's time to toss it? Joining us with her tips, we welcome back Dr. Truitt is with us today. Dr. Ann, good to have you back.
Thank you so much for having me.
And you have really valuable tips for all of us makeup wearers today. I love this because it's really tough. I mean, makeup doesn't come like food packaging does with your expiration dates on it.
No, it does not. So no, it is good for your consumers to know that makeup and cosmetics are a little bit different. They can go bad. They can be past their prime. So how do you know when that's happening? Because it's important to know, because makeup and cosmetic over time can actually start to harbor bacteria that can lead to infection. The ingredients can start to break down. That can lead to skin irritation. So how do you know, though? Because manufacturers are not required to put an expiration date on makeup and cosmetics. So what they have done, though, is that they have created something called a period after opening. That is a symbol that you will find on the back of the product. It has like a little jar to it. It has a lid that looks like on the symbol. It will have the letter M, and it will have some numbers inside. Those numbers correspond to the date, so the amount of months before it will expire. So the period after opening, the PAO symbol, is what you want to look for, and that number will tell you how long it is good for. Depending on different products, lipsticks can last 12 months. Mascara is usually 3 months. Foundations can last, they can have a PAO of about 6 to 12 months. Depending on the ingredients, though, sometimes. So, for instance, I always like to use an antioxidant in the morning. Every morning before I put on my sunscreen, it's a vitamin C serum antioxidant. Vitamin C is a little less stable over time. The one that I actually like to use is Drunk Elephant. I know a little bit of a strange name, but it makes an excellent product. The vitamin C, though, can be a little less stable over time, so the PAO is 6 months.
Nothing that you mentioned, I heard, is over 12 months. So I like that you gave kind of the recommendation if you've opened something before the pandemic, because it's hard to remember, you know, when you've done something or when you've opened up your makeup or used your lipstick. And if it still looks good, I still say use it. You know, obviously don't. But so it's kind of good to say, hey, if you opened something before last March, you know, toss it out since you've been home.
Yes, exactly. So there's a few things that you can do. There's really a good 4 list of things that you can do that can help your makeup, though, last longer. Number 1, you want to try to make really good storage for it. So store it in a cool, dry place. You don't want to have it out where there's heat or direct sunlight. Number 2, make sure your applicators and your brushes are kept clean. Number 3, if your mascara is going bad, it'll start to kind of dry out. Don't add water to it. Just throw it out. Get a new one. And then the last one, and I know this is difficult. It's hard for me too. If you can, try to organize your makeup drawer. Know what you have and where you have it. When you open something up, write the date on it, because then you'll know that is my PAO date and you'll know how to treat it.
And you also say do not share makeup with other people.
Yes, do not share makeup with other people. That's an easy way to pass on bacteria.
You know, we're talking about makeup, but I heard you mention your vitamin C. So are there some rules that also apply to moisturizers and to the basic, you know, that even men sometimes use?
Moisturizers are a little bit different. It really kind of depends. I know, for instance, I actually use a lot of the Origin products. I use the face cream and I have the night cream. These are actually both 24 months. And if you look on the back, you'll see the PAO symbol and it says 24 months. Again, it kind of depends on what you're using. If it has like an all natural component to it, if it says it on the outside, a lot of times they're using plant-based ingredients, and sometimes those don't last as long. You can also have products that don't have any preservatives in there, and they cannot last as long. So you really kind of need to look at the product itself. Some things will actually start to break down, and you'll notice they'll start to separate, and then you know that they've gone bad. And then in some instances, you can actually have some that really kind of have a bad smell to them, and then for sure at that point, you want to throw them away and get a new one.
So the separating, don't even try to shake them and bring it back to life. No.
No.
Well, I like too that you said unopened can usually last a little bit longer. So if you are digging in the back of your drawer and you find something, it does expire still, but you have a little bit more time.
Yes. Well, it kind of depends too on the product again itself. You want to look at the product, see what it is. A good rule of thumb really is kind of look at the product itself. If you don't have an idea of when you opened it and there's no PAO on it, you can look at the product itself. So for instance, like I said, mascara will start to kind of flake and go dry. Throw it away, don't add water. Eyeshadows or blushes, they lose their colors and they become a little bit more crumbly. And then again, as I was saying too, some of them start to separate out. And then also some of them may develop a smell. So if any of those things start to happen, it's kind of a good rule of thumb to replace it.
Dr. Ann, thank you so much. Great tips today.
Oh, you're very welcome. Thanks so much for having me.
Of course, and we'll have these tips and more information about Dr. Truitt on our website at KATU.com, but don't go away. We'll be right back.